Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparaya YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to swipe down by two finger to search by voice on Infinix Smart 8. Do you know guys that search via voice allows you to quickly do a Google search by speaking via voice to text and support many search engines including Google, Bing, Yahoo and more. And if your desired search engine is not a default in the option, you can easily add a custom search engine support over 100 language or dialect guys. So how to do that? It's quite easy. So now I'll show you how to do that. Okay, first you can long press on the desktop until the menu is appear like this and then go to settings menu. And over here you can go to gesture and over here you can click slide down with two fingers and then you can set for voice search like this. So yeah, now let's give it a try. We can slide by two finger. So yeah, now you can search anything via voice and I will search for Spotify and yeah, it works guys. The voice search quickly do a Google search by speaking via voice to text. So yeah, here's the tutorial guys on how to swipe down two finger to search by voice on Infinix Smart 8 and thank you so much for watching.